Syntax for defining a function is same as syntax for defining a constructor, but constructor gets called whenever you create an object of the class. I want to define a function that I want to explicitly call. I'm going to define a function in student class, which is going to be submit assignment. For that, I'm going to say submit assignment. And to make it a function, I'm going to use these parentheses, and then I'm going to open and close a code block in which I'm going to write my function. Now this function returns a message saying that the current student has submitted the assignment. To return the message, I'm going to use return keyword, and to get the current student's first name, I'm going to use this keyword and then get the first name from there. Then I'm going to add a message which is going to be has submitted the assignment. Now if I want to invoke this function, I'm going to copy that function name and put it here, which is first name was getting assigned to our demo1 paragraph. And instead of that, I'm going to invoke submit assignment function of student2 class. Now if I refresh the page and click on submit, it's going to print Jane has submitted the assignment because student2 is Jane. If I change this to student1 and then refresh the page and click on submit, it's going to print John has submitted the assignment because student1 is John. Like that, you can create multiple functions. Let's say if I want to create a function called as show grades, which returns grades of the current student. For that, I'm going to again use return keyword and use this keyword to get current student and its grades. Now, if I want to invoke this function, I can put that function name instead of submit assignment here. And now if I refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to print B because student 1's grade is B. If I change this to student 2 and then refresh the page and click on submit, it's going to print A+. So this is how you can define functions and invoke them from classes. And that's what is happening here. I talked about how this line is printing message on our page here. Actually, document is an object. Get element by ID is its method. It's its function. Demo1 is the parameter that we are passing to this method. Inner HTML is the property of HTML element which is getting passed from this get element by ID. And that is what is getting assigned to our demo1 paragraph here. In the next section, I'm going to talk about objects.